Just like your favorite houseplant needs regular tender love and care to stay healthy and strong, the tires on your family car need regular attention to keep you and your passengers safe. In addition to improving safety, a handful of simple maintenance habits can help ensure your tires deliver their best performance and save you money in the long run. Let's look at how you can do your part to get the most out of your tire investment. Use a good quality gauge to check your tire pressure monthly, ensuring each tire is filled to the recommended level for your vehicle. This information can be found in your owner's manual or the vehicle information placard, which is usually located on the inside of your driver's door. Make sure not to use the tire pressure imprinted on the tire sidewall. This pressure is the maximum pressure a tire can contain under maximum load. Prolonged driving at this inflation pressure can result in uneven tread wear and reduced traction. Both under and overinflation change the shape of a tire, which impacts traction, stopping, and longevity. For example, an underinflated tire collapses in the middle and wears out on the outside, whereas an overinflated tire wears out through the middle. While you're checking for correct pressure, it's also a great time to inspect for damage, such as sidewall cracks, bulges, cuts, and objects stuck in the tread that need attention or may signal that it's time for new tires. One useful tip before moving on, be sure to do your pressure checkups and make adjustments when your tires are cold, not after a long drive or extended exposure to sunlight, as heat can lead to incorrect pressure readings. Next, just as under or overinflated tires can create problems, poor alignment will cause your tires to wear unevenly, affect steering, cause uncomfortable vibrations, and hurt your fuel economy. Have your alignment checked when you are changing to a new set of tires to maximize their lifespan, or when recommended by a qualified mechanic. Along the same lines, regular rotation is important for performance, safety, and longevity. It's common practice to rotate tires every 10,000 kilometers, but as always, follow your vehicle manufacturer's guidelines. And remember to always have your tires balanced to avoid uneven, patchy tire wear. Last but not least, let's talk treads. Worn treads lead to less grip and longer stopping distances, so an affordable tread depth gauge should be part of your tire maintenance kit. Check your tire tread in 4 different places for an accurate read in case tires are wearing unevenly. You should always rely on the lowest reading. The minimum legal tread depth in Canada is 1.5 millimeters or 2/32 of an inch, depending on your province. All tires sold in Canada also come with wear bars built inside the tire tread. When these bars become exposed, it's time to replace your tires. Regardless of your depth readings, if you spot uneven wearing, weathering, bulges, cuts, or cracking of the tire sidewall, it may also be time for a change. With these simple and healthy habits, you can ensure your tires perform better, last longer, and deliver better fuel efficiency. Savings that you can turn into another plant for the house. For more helpful tire shopping and care tips, visit betiresmart.ca.